Understanding HVAC Delta T is key to figuring out refrigeration problems, but using Delta T alone won't cut it, you know? Delta T is basically the temperature difference between the air entering and leaving your air conditioner's evaporator coil. It gives you a quick snapshot of how well your system is cooling. Typically, you want your Delta T to be between 12 and 20 degrees Fahrenheit for most systems. If it's too low, that could mean weak airflow or refrigerant issues. Too high, and maybe your system is overcooling or airflow is restricted. But don't just rely on Delta T by itself because it doesn't tell the full story. You gotta check superheat and subcooling too, which help you understand the refrigerant charge better. Also, eyeball the airflow with your hands or a meter. Clogged filters or blocked vents can mess things up big time, and always look over the whole system's condition, like dirty coils or leaks, since those mess with performance and your Delta T numbers. One of the biggest mistakes people make with HVAC Delta T diagnosis is thinking it alone can reveal all refrigeration problems. It can't. Fix that by pairing Delta T readings with superheat and subcooling checks to get a fuller picture of refrigerant levels. Another common slip-up is ignoring airflow issues. If air isn't moving right, your Delta T will lie to you. So, clean or replace filters and make sure vents aren't blocked before trusting your numbers. Lastly, some folks skip inspecting the system condition, like dirty coils or leaks, which totally throw off Delta T accuracy to keep your equipment clean and well-maintained to avoid that. BigHomeProjects.com hooks up homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to HVAC and refrigeration repairs. If you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get work and connect with people who actually need your help.